Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will write an essay on Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat, One India Great India in English. So let's start the video. Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat is a vision started by the Indian government to bring unity and togetherness among the diverse culture of India. The phrase means One India, Great India, showing the idea of a united and strong nation. India is famous for its rich cultural heritage, with each state having its own traditions. Languages and custom. Even with these differences, the people of India share a common identity. The Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat program aims to celebrate this diversity and strengthen the bonds between different regions. One important part of this program is pairing states and union territories to encourage cultural exchange. For example, Tamil Nadu might be paired with Jammu and Kashmir. People from these states would take part in various activities like student exchange, cultural events, and tourism. This helps in understanding and appreciating each other's culture, upbringing, mutual respects. The program also focuses on learning each other languages, food, and way of life. School and colleges play a big role by organizing events that highlighting the paired states culture. This exposure helps students become more open-minded and respectful. Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat promotes national unity and makes sure that India remains a peaceful and harmonious nation. By embracing and celebrating our differences, we can build a stronger, more united India. This program not only enriches our cultural fabric but also paves the way for a bright and inclusive future for all India. Thank you.